gosh, I'm so excited. All right, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having the most amazing day today. So for today's video, I'm going to do a Van Cleef & Arpels reveal for you guys. This is my very first ever Van Cleef & Arpels piece. And just to give you guys a hint, it's something to add to my little stack that's happening at the moment. So before I get into this video, I'm going to do a what's on my lips, what I'm wearing, and what bag I used yesterday. Instead, because I'm not like wearing any nail polish, I've gone off, I'm going au naturel with my nails. So I thought I'd just share with you what's on my lips, what I'm wearing, and the bag that I used yesterday. Why not? So the lip color that I'm wearing, I got this from a friend. My friend got this for me. She's so sweet. Hi, Denise. So what I'm wearing is a YSL. It's called the Rouge Couture Vernis à Lèvres, and this is just, it is a gorgeous, it's called the Glossy Lip Stain, and it's just really gorgeous because it just makes, the color stays on and it just makes your lips look really juicy because it's got like a slight gloss, but then it's got color, and it's just really, really pretty. And I got this one in the color number 9. She gave me the color number 9, and apparently I think this color is the most iconic red for YSL. It just stays on for a really long time. Like I can eat, I can drink. I can eat, I can drink. Cheers guys. Grab yourself a drink because I'm probably gonna talk my head off. I usually, like if you meet me in real life, I probably don't talk this much, but when it comes to skincare, makeup, clothes, bags, I can talk non-stop. Like those are my things. Those are my things. If you talk about work or if you talk about politics, or it's kind of boring. Cheers. Just to get the juices flowing. The top that I'm wearing is, I got this one from Romania, and they had this store called Cato, C-A-T-O, Cato, and everything's made in Italy. It's very Italian, the store. You get lots of linens, cottons, absolutely gorgeous, lots of whites, lots of blues, lots of denim. So I bought a few pieces from there, and this is the top that I'm wearing. I'm a sucker for stripes, and I love stripes so much. As soon as I saw this sitting on the counter thing, I was like, oh wow, this is so pretty, I love it. So it's like a really loose sort of fit. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's made from 100% linen, and it's made in Italy. And you know, I've got white pants on at the moment, which I can style it, but I've tied it up on one side. Obviously you can just sort of release it and just wear it like that, but for me, I just love to just tie it on one side. You can wear it with white pants because I'm like, I got the white sort of, you know, the red lip, the white sort of look going. So I really love it and I really enjoy it, and it's so easy and breezy. I love that store. I definitely would go back and buy like heaps more. I'm not sure if they have that store in Italy. I'm not sure if they have an online store, but I'll definitely have a check, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. The bag that I used yesterday is this Gucci Marmont Mini in the black velvet with the age gold hardware. This is so stunning. This is like my utmost favorite bag. I got this not long ago, probably 2 months ago, and I've used it like at least 8 to 10 times, and I just love it. It goes with everything. I think it's definitely a must-have bag. It's just so gorgeous, goes with everything. Yeah, it's just really pretty. I absolutely love it. It's a great evening bag, goes with every outfit. Dress it up, dress it down. So let's move on to this guy. Sorry, I've been talking way too much. I thought I'd treat myself Christmas, get myself like a little Christmas present. It's like a great little starting piece to add to my stack. I had no idea like what Van Cleef & Arpels was until I watched Yossi, Dainty Collections, Porn Stars. There was this American show where Yossi has this little pawn shop, P-A-W-N, pawn shop, and he's like, it's Van Cleef & Arpels. Yossi's like the best. He's so funny. And I was like, oh, what is VCA? What is Van Cleef & Arpels? So I had a look, and then, you know, you keep seeing all these like photos on Instagram, and it's like, oh, that's so pretty. I would love to own like a piece of Van Cleef & Arpels one day. So this is how it came about. Let's get straight into it. I'll show you what's included. So first off, we've got a few things. First off, we've got the receipt right here. And then next we've got this little booklet. It's like a black ribbon. It's the certificate of authenticity. So that's the item, that's a certificate of authenticity right there. And it's got, yeah, it comes in this gorgeous VCA sleeve. And then I get another Van Cleef & Arpels little black sort of, I don't know, what is it? It's like it's got black ribbon all over it. Opens like so. Oh, it's a little sort of like cleaning cloth, I believe, and it says Van Cleef and Arpels on it. And then the item is in here. Well, I didn't realize my item didn't come with two things, which sort of like, you know, if you're paying that sort of money, you'd want it to be like, you need those two things. And one is a travel pouch. I asked them for a travel pouch and they said, oh no, we don't have any travel pouches. I'm like, do you have another travel pouch, like another size for another item that you include? No, we don't, because sometimes you want to take the item off and just put it in your bag or something, but I don't have a travel pouch. I probably have to use my Cartier one. And then the item comes in this box, but they didn't put a ribbon on it, so it's sort of comes out like this. It's in like a pearly white box. You open the box up and it comes, sort of opens like that, and then you get this gorgeous green suede feeling VCA box. It's so pretty, isn't it? That's the box. Cute. So I'm gonna open the item up. Ta-da! So what I have here is a Van Cleef and Arpels, a sweet Alhambra bracelet, and it's a 4-leaf clover, 18 karat yellow gold with the white mother of pearl. So I'll give you a close up. It's just really pretty. Isn't that just so gorgeous? It's got like a little sort of cushion pillow. It's just so cute. And this piece is just so pretty. It's really stunning, and the mother of pearl is just so luminescent and gorgeous. Look at that. It's just very, very, very pretty. You can see it's just like this cute little 4-leaf clover, and it's got a lobster clasp. It's got a little bar here which has a serial number on it, and then it says VCA AU 750 to say that it's 18 karat yellow gold, and then it's got two little loops here which you can adjust the size smaller or larger. And the reason why I chose this one, it was a really great price point, and I think it's really nice and dainty. I love it that it's dainty, that, you know, it's not going to like scratch the rest of my stack. Just look how pretty that is. It's just a very nice mother of pearl. It's really, really stunning. So this is, a lot of you guys asked me about this particular bracelet here, the one on the end. This one is from my mum. She bought this for me for my 18th birthday. Me and her have matching ones. Obviously her diamonds are much larger than mine. I have 16 diamonds on mine. She has 14 on hers. It's just stunning. It's just a really classic, really nice, simple piece. It's got the clasp on the end there, if you can see. And on the back, it's just plain. It just goes well with my stack, really, really well. This is just really stunning. The Van Cleef & Arpels gold on this is, it looks like a rose gold, and when you compare it to the Cartier yellow gold, yeah, it looks like it's sort of like a rose gold. Hope you guys can see that. It's a cute little addition because I love like little dainty pieces or just little accents. Delving into Van Cleef & Arpels, a lot of the items are quite expensive, so I thought I'd just get this one. This one was $1,670. The 4-leaf clover is a symbolism of good luck, and I love mother of pearl. Really love this particular mother of pearl that I chose, which is like a grey creamy sort of mother of pearl, very luminous. And they also have the sweet Alhambra necklace, which is the same size, but in the necklace, which is like super cute. I think this will be like my one and only Van Cleef & Arpels piece. But yeah, I really love this and it's really cute. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Yeah, that's all for this video. I don't think I have anything else to say. I think I've talked my head off already. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I make new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.